Hello, this is my second teardown of Chinese salt waterproof, saltwater reels that are supposedly sealed. Um, my first one was the Contra by Caesar, and it truly was sealed. It was sure it wasn't a Vine Stal, but it wasn't $900. But it was definitely was quality. This is the Accuretta Menethil, and this is the 6,000 size. Comes with a bag. Comes with instructions on how to use a reel. It is a screw-on handle, and it is left-handed only. It does not screw on the right. I'm assuming this has a bearing in it. They almost always do. I'm not taking that apart. Because then I'm going to scratch it up. Okay. So, start with, you see the red gasket. So it's sealed gasket against that. On this side, gasket. I've already checked this. This does have a bearing in it. Sealed gasket against the drag washers. All right, question is, are they carbon fiber or just cloth? They are cloth, but there is a bearing there. The bearing. There's a double gasket, not quite a gasket, a double plastic washer, a 3-piece. Okay, clicker. This is just like the last one I did, but a different brand, but it has the same sealing mechanism. Big gasket, a rubber gasket. Is that 10? Oh, it's a 12. Oh, this comes off. This is plastic. I'm gonna grab a 12 millimeter. Twelve mil. Once again, some hard composite. Ooh, these are on there. Okay, it's not want to come out. There's one. Those are in there. Slightly bigger screwdriver. That was in there. Okay, and then this one, they stripped it, installing it. But I got it. Reassembly, I'll be using a different screwdriver. There's that. Okay, rubber gasket. So we don't need to have that waterproofed because this is gasketed here and we have the gasket on top. So I wouldn't call these 100% waterproof, but they're very water resistant. All right, take this back off. Four screws. Oh, in this case, the handle is built into it. There's the bearing. Seal. Nice amount of white grease. For the money, really great. And I will not reassemble because you know what it does.